Hey.
Everyone.
So Amy insisted that we do a taste testing video here. She got some.
So we're recording this
MnMs.
kind of late at night. Well, it's late-ish. And if you can hear any noise in the background, our little one is refusing to sleep right now.
Yeah.
But he's going to try.
So we're just going to try to press forward, so apologies. So, sweetheart, what do we have tonight?
Okay, so we are following on from one that we've done before. We've done taste tests of various things. And we did a taste test previously of, what were those drinks called?
The Zavia.
The
Zavia sodas, yeah.
But if you haven't seen that, go check it out.
I'll put a link in the description.
We did also a taste test comparing Dollar Store and Walmart. Or was it name brand? It was back when I was pregnant. It was a long time ago.
It was a while back. That I don't think ever got uploaded.
Okay, well, we'll find it and upload it because that was a good video. And this time, I was watching Family Fudge. So, hi, Jennifer. And she was mentioning that she had got some of these, and it was one specific one, and she gave them to her children in the lunchbox. They didn't really like it too much. But I kept that in mind.
If that's what I'm thinking of, then I could probably see. Yeah.
I was just walking around our local town, and I went into the gas station to grab something before taking our little boy to the park, and I saw they had a stand with these. So they have all three of the new flavours. These are the new M&Ms. We have... Okay, I'll come back to that one. We have this one, which is the English toffee.
English toffee.
It should be good.
Yeah.
We have this one with the Thai coconut. And then this one I'm a little bit afraid of, but I got it anyway because it's part of the thing, is Mexican jalapeno. Or jalapeno, however you pronounce it.
Spicy jalapeno M&Ms.
And we're going to do that first, just to get out of the way.
Really?
Yeah. Get it out of the way.
Okay. I figured you'd want to save the best. Well,
the best to last.
Yeah.
English toffee. Okay, so we're going to try this one first. Any preference on a colour, my love?
Not really.
Or whatever it comes out as. And these ones are actually vote. You can go to the website and vote for your favourite flavour, or you can text to vote. So we may well vote. But we want to hear if you've tried these. I don't think I'm voting
for this one.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay, you done? Okay, don't chew it yet. Okay. And I've got this one.
I'm already hating the taste.
Okay. Oh, God, yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. You all right there?
You get it. You get it on the back burner. Might hit the back of your throat. You don't taste it. You can just then feel the heat on the back of your throat. Yeah, because
what it is, apparently on the surface, like, you get a short taste of it when you first put it in your mouth.
I didn't get a short taste of it.
You know what I'm saying is, when you start... Oh, boy, yeah. I can feel it a little bit now. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but still... You taste mostly the chocolate while you're eating it.
Not too bad.
It's only when you go to, swallow it down and you get that after taste. Like she said, the back of your throat. That's when, you start feeling the burn, as they say, a little bit.
It's not too bad.
No.
Okay.
But still,
Thai coconut.
So yeah, let's get cooking. I about want to wash this taste out. Ugh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I like that one. That one's better.
Okay.
I'm actually quite interested with something else.
Now, when it comes to coconut, me personally...
It's within the chocolate.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, a little piece of coconut. Man, when it comes to coconut flavor stuff, I don't mind it so much. Not my favorite, remind you, but it's okay. It's fine. Like, I know there's like a lot of people who are like, ooh, coconut, oh, that's nasty. Get it away.
No.
So, but me personally, I can handle like stuff like coconut flavored candy, cake, stuff like that.
It's not soda.
Oh no, not soda. That was
Coconut milk or coconut water.
Oh, okay. Actually, that's the exception right there because I actually remember trying it. Coconut water. Oh, that was horrible. That was bad.
So my favourite that I'm looking forward to, and 3 guesses why. English toffee. But let's look at the little M&M. He's got a little flag, which if you're in England right now, they'd be complaining because they got the flag. Just saying. Also,
I should have probably done this disclaimer earlier, but this is not This was not paid about M&Ms.
No, I went out and I bought these.
She bought this with her own.
With our money.
So this is our opinion. This is what we think of the flavor. Anything we weren't, Okay, here we go. Oh. Right? Oh, you went ahead and chewed it. You didn't say so 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. Wow.
No.
Mm-hmm.
But okay.
So yeah.
Rating. That good?
That actually is pretty good, yeah.
It's more
Like taste of toffee, yeah.
It's not really toffee, it's more like a burnt toffee. It's not toffee as I would remember from England, but it's more of a burnt toffee, which is a toffee, but it's not the toffee I would think. But it's nice. Okay, so really quick to wrap this up. Rating 1, 2, and 3. Which ones?
Out of what? What?
1, 2, and 3. Which one was your favourite? Which one was your least favourite? Which one was in the middle? How would you rate them? 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, definitely. Let's see.
Let's start with number 3. I think I got. Do we agree?
The least, yeah, big time. Jalapeno.
I don't even think we're gonna finish this.
What were they thinking?
No.
I mean, seriously. I mean, you can have sweet and spicy on some foods, but not on chocolate. Don't.
They do on other chocolates.
No.
But not M&M's.
Especially jalapenos. Don't do that. Don't do that.
No. Okay, number 2.
Definitely coconut.
I would have to disagree.
Really?
I would say my number 2 was the toffee.
I thought you'd pick that as number 1.
No.
I'm quite surprised.
So there's a difference of opinion here. So I would say this one's my number 2. And he would say this is his number 2. And by the way, I love this colour. This is one of my favourite colours. This blue.
Yeah. So the toffee I'd have to say is...
It's Wesley's favourite.
Out of the 3, yeah.
And this one's my favourite.
So...
But yeah, go check them out, guys, if you like. If you've got a difference of opinion, you let us know in the comments.
So yeah, between jalapeno, coconut, and toffee. If you really like jalapeno, no, seriously. If you do, if that's more power to you, but I think we're going to stay away from it.
And if you've got any other taste test ideas, videos that you'd like us to do, it may just be a quick one like this, rather than something that's set up and stuff like that. Let us know if we can find it. We may well do it.
Okay.
If you like doing these ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Night, guys.
Good night, everybody.